I've thought about getting an eye operation for years, namely LASIK, because I didn't know there was anything else out there available. And then contacted this office and found out about the newer procedure, the refractive lens exchange, where you wouldn't have to worry about having readers afterwards or anything like that. And so I decided to give it a try, and it's worked out beautifully. I would tell you that there's probably nobody that was a bigger chicken about getting the procedure done than me. I was one of those people that I thought was going to walk out at the last minute and duck out. But once I got here, and it wasn't nearly as bad as I thought. In fact, there was no pain involved whatsoever. And once again, the calming procedures that they do here and the way they run their business put me at ease. The biggest thing, I guess, was the communication that they kept giving me throughout the procedure, throughout the prep work and everything else like that. That was very important for me. And the doctor, for one thing, during the procedure was still communicating to me at that point what he was doing, what to expect, what was coming up next. I didn't like surprises, and I didn't have any. I knew from what he was communicating exactly what was going on. And I don't know if I'll ever get out of the habit of reaching for my glasses on the nightstand or reaching around behind glasses that are no longer there to rub my eye or what have you. But the biggest thing is just the freedom that it gives you. I'd recommend it to anybody.